What if I told you your phone, laptop, even your smart fridge has a tiny boss running everything and you never see it?
That boss is the operating system, the software that talks to hardware and runs your apps. Think of it as the translator, traffic controller, and manager all in one.
Three quick jobs of an OS. First, resource management. It gives programs the CPU, memory, and storage they need. Second, hardware control. It speaks to keyboards, screens, and printers via drivers. Third, user interface and security. It shows the desktop or home screen and protects your files.
Common OS examples: Windows, macOS, Linux for computers, Android and iOS for phones. Each behaves differently but does the same core jobs.
So next time your app runs smoothly, thank the OS. If it's slow, the OS is where troubleshooting often starts.
All right, if you know about computer science, data analytics, AI, ML, computer networking, and more, all videos links are added in the description or visit channel. See you in next video.
Like and subscribe for get notified for new videos and hit the bell.